today I have with me the Sony WH1000Xm2 headphones. This is a successor to the popular MDR1000X. Many of you on this channel have requested that I review this. So today in this video I will be telling all about the 1000Xm2, the good, the bad, and I will also be telling you who these headphones are actually for. So without wasting much time, let's begin. It comes in this gorgeous package. Opening the package, you have a sturdy black box. Opening the black box, there is a hard shell carrying case which contains the headphones and a flight adapter. And there is also a 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening. There is also a micro USB cable. I wish it was USB Type-C, but it is what it is. From the design, first of all, as you can see, it's a bit minimalistic. Not really much of a fashion statement if you ask me. It has a very simple design. You'll notice it's made of mostly plastic all around. And then the capsule that houses the ear cups are made of this textured plastic as well. It feels like a synthetic leather. The headbands is made of a combination of plastic, stainless steel, and then underneath you've got a synthetic leather underneath. You can adjust the headbands as well, and you can also fold them like this. You can fold them up and put them in the carrying case provided. They swivel slightly. They rotate to an angle of 90 degrees, so you can place them on a flat surface. On any slight force, the hinges easily move and rotate. I wish it was a little bit stiffer, yeah, but that's just me being picky. If you look at these for the first time, you will think that they are quite weak and fiddly and feeble, but they are not. Don't be mistaken. Yep, they are not. They are quite strong and durable. Some of the users of the previous generation MDR1000X, they complained that the headbands kind of cracks over time. This plastic here, they crack. Later it was some units, some faulty units that had that problem. As you can see, the ear cups are made of synthetic leather, so it's really soft and plush. When you wear these for the first time, you'll notice that it doesn't have a very hard clamping force. So you can wear these for long commutes and you're not going to feel any discomforts or listening fatigue. Well, coming to button placements, you only have 2 buttons, yes, on the WH1000Xm2, as opposed to the 3 buttons on the MDR1000X. First of all, on the left ear cup, there is a button that serves as your noise cancellation button. And also the same button is also used to activate the ambient mode. And then underneath that, you've got your power button right here. And then underneath, you've got your 3.5mm audio jack. And then underneath the right ear cup, you've got your micro USB port for charging these up. These don't use USB Type-C. The right ear cup is equipped with touch sensitive controls. So you can swipe forward to fast forward tracks, and you can swipe backward to rewind. And then you can swipe up to increase the volume and swipe down to reduce the volume. From my testing, the touch controls work pretty well. They are very sensitive and responsive. The feature I love most about the WH1000Xm2, which was also present in the MDR1000X, is the quick attention mode. Just place your palm on the right ear cup and it's going to reduce the volume on the headphones so you can hear things or people talk around you. So you don't need to take off the headphones. I really love that feature and it works pretty well. That is what I really like about it. These are not equipped with the smart play and pause feature which you get on the Bose and Wilkins PX. So when you take off these headphones from your ears, it's not going to pause automatically. That feature is on the Bose and Wilkins PX. It's also on the Beoplay H9i, but on these you don't have that feature. So you have to bear that in mind. Now coming to the noise cancellation on these, I would say that it's on par with what you get on the Bose QC35. What I love most about the active noise cancellation is that it doesn't hamper the sound quality in any way. Once you turn on the active noise cancellation, the sound quality remains the same, which is absolutely fantastic. Another thing for you to bear in mind about the active noise cancellation is that it's very versatile, so you can tweak it to your own settings, which is very good. Unlike the Bose QC35, you can adjust it, but it's not as versatile as these. Now coming to battery life, using these wirelessly with active noise cancellation turned on, you are going to get 30 to about 31 hours thereabout of playback, yes, on these. But definitely that would also vary depending on the volume and the type of music you are listening to. If you're going to be using these like for 7 to 8 hours every day, you are going to be able to get up to 4 days from these, yes. So which is really great. So the battery life is excellent. I think you are getting 10 hours more battery life on the Sonys than on the Bose QC35. So you have to bear that in mind. Now coming to sound quality, which is the most important part of these headphones. Personally for me, I'll say I prefer the sound quality on the Sony to that on the Bose QC35. The mids and the vocals are not too forward. They are not pushed too forward. The bass is really tight, very tight bass. That's what I like about these. The bass is really tight. At max volume, these don't really get shrill and tinny, unlike the Bose. But on these, it's really flat and neutral. So that's what I love about them. The sound stage on these are not as good as that on the Bose and Wilkins PX. Don't get me wrong, it has got good sound stage, very good sound stage, nice instrument separation, but it's not on par with the Bose and Wilkins PX. So you have to bear that in mind. But overall sound quality on these, I have no complaints whatsoever. As you all know, sound quality is quite subjective. Some might still prefer the Bose to the Sony. And you have to bear in mind the Sony supports many audio codecs. The Sony supports aptX. It also supports AAC, aptX HD, LDAC and SBC. Some of you might be asking the major difference between the Sony MDR1000X and the 1000X Mark II. The 1000X Mark II has the audio self-adjustment, so you can optimize the atmospheric pressure, which helps these headphones adjust to your altitude. So with time, if there's any difference in your altitude, the headphones are going to adjust the sound quality, which is absolutely fantastic. On the Sony app, you can activate adaptive sound control, which helps them detect whether you are sitting, walking, traveling. So it will adjust the noise cancellation for the best listening experience. For connectivity, it's equipped with Bluetooth 4.1 and NFC, so you can also pair it up with NFC enabled devices, which is really good. Well, now you might be asking, who are these headphones for? These, I'll say, are for travelers and commuters, and you want a solid pair of headphones to block out noise in your surroundings while maintaining a very good sound quality. These are the ones to get, trust me. These are better than the Bose QC35 as an overall package. Yes, you heard me right. These have a class-leading noise cancellation. Yes, it's on par with the Bose QC35 version 2 or version 1, any of them. So in conclusion, I'll say that these are the best premium active noise cancelling headphones you can get in terms of performance, sound quality, comfort and features. These are the ones to get. Trust me, you cannot go wrong with these. As always, I will be throwing links down in the description section if you want to purchase these for yourselves. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe to this channel and you will continue to see reviews like these. I am Ezekielo and I'm signing out. Adios.